Video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can delete your page on Facebook in a few seconds. Now the first thing guys you need to do to delete your page, you want to click you can do the same process by the way on your iPhone or Android phone. You just want to access the web version of Facebook, not on the app, because this is not going to work on the app. Now just use the web version and apply the exact steps that I'm about to show you right now. Now what you want to do guys to delete your page on Facebook, you want to click on your profile picture in the top right and then click see all profiles. Okay, now the moment you click on see all profiles, you will see the list of pages that you have here. Now you want to select the page that you want to delete. For example, I just created this page a few seconds ago. Now I'm going to delete it guys. I'm going to click on Muhaddrop. Now after you click guys on Muhaddrop, it will take you directly to your page. If it doesn't take you directly to your page, as you can see where you can see your profile picture, your cover. Now if it doesn't take you directly to that, you just wanna access your page. Now after you access your page guys, after you are on your page, you want to click on these three little dots. As you can see here guys, you will find here a few different options like promote, manage, edit. Like in the edit, you will see here three little dots. As you can see, you want to click on these three little dots and then click on page and tagging settings. As you can see here, page and tagging settings. Now the moment you click on page and tagging settings, a few different options will come up here guys. All you have to do, you want to just click you want to just select here in the left, you want to select page and tagging. Okay, now I'm going to select this one. You want to select Facebook page information. As you can see, now don't click on page and tagging, just select Facebook page information. Now after you click guys on Facebook page information, you will find here a few different options. Now if you look down at the very bottom, it says here deactivate and deletion. Now you want to click on view. As you can see, next to deactivate and deletion, you want to click on view. Now after you click guys on view, Facebook will give you two different options to select. If you want to deactivate your page in case like you want to get it back in the future, you can deactivate it. It says here your page will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from things you have shared. But if you want to delete it permanently, it says here in the delete page, it says this is permanent. So make sure that you are sure that you want to delete your page. After you are sure, select the second option that says delete page and then click continue. Now the moment you click on continue, you will have to click on continue again, and here it will ask you for your password. Just enter here your password so that Facebook will make sure that it's you who wants to delete your page. Now just enter here your password and then click on continue and just follow the simple steps that Facebook will show you. Then click continue, and then that's exactly how you can delete your page permanently on Facebook. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.